All right, let's see. Had two losses already. And I should have waited for it to sweep liquidity. I talk about that all the time. I knew not to jump in it right when the bell opened because it was going sideways. We're talking about the MNQ. I mean, when I came in, it was like, look at this sideways action right here, just total sideways. Bell opens up, it's going up, and the bell opens up, and then it just drops down. And I did get a relatively decent trade. It just continued to go down more. Bounced off of the close of yesterday. I got long right there, and I got out when I was supposed to. Came back down and stopped me out. And then I took a trade that I should not have taken. Let me just change that from a good trade to a questionable trade because it was weak. Because I should have waited for the liquidity sweep. Had another full stop loss on the second trade. This trade is a good trade that I'm in right now. So we'll see how this turns out. We'll see how it turns out. If it gets me, it gets me. I'm okay. At that point, I will probably stop trading because what I did now is it swept the liquidity double W pattern after going the overnight low, and then it started consolidating. So I figured I could try to get a 1-to-1 on it. If not, then I am 3 in a row and I'm going to take a break. I'm using different accounts so I don't blow the accounts or anything. So dang it, I was only $100 away from passing that cotton picking thing. Now I'm $250 away. So yeah, if this stops me out right here, I'm going to have to just take a break. Like I said, got long right here after it swept liquidity. And so I will just take a break. No problem. No problem. Not even scared. Not even worried. Used to be worried about losing. Now I'm worried about not holding my position. So that's a good transition for getting more professional. I'm more concerned about not holding my position. I got to hold my position. Okay. So yeah, if this gets me again, it looks like it wants to roll down. At least it was a good try, though. I should have not taken that second trade. I should have not taken that second trade. So see, now it's sweeping the bottom, and it's going up. If it can't continue up, then yeah, it's probably going to keep going down. It hit liquidity, hit that overnight low again. Definitely looks like it wants to keep going down. You never know. You never know. Maybe it's teasing, making a higher low here. Could be, but I'd be glad when it gets over the top of these moving averages on my exponential chart. I'm using the 5,000 and the 500 today. And it just looks really, really weak. I could just get out right now for break even. I don't want to. I'd rather take the full loss than to be chicken. Just let it hit me out. Let it take me out. That's perfectly fine. I will take a break though. So this live stream might be real quick, which is fine. Here it comes.
Order
canceled. All right. We're taking a break. All right. I'll see you in a little while. I'm going to come back after I take a break. Maybe I'll take some trades later. Peace. Okay, I did take a small break. I don't think it was long enough of a break, but I saw this opportunity and I said, let me get back in here and get long. This would be my fourth loss. It's a winner right now, but seeing if I can hold for 3-to-1. I could break even on the thing too. We could do a lot of different options here. It's a green day. It might keep right on going, but it could also just come in reverse. The big shakeout and the big slam and the 3 losses in a row got your emotions a little bit high, you know. But it's quite likely that this pintail could hold that the day chart's putting in, and it's going to go back up, test the high of yesterday, which is I got my target below that. So let's see if I can get hit for 3-to-1 on that and make my money back, plus some from the third trade that I made. Yeah. Phew, man. So the thing is, yeah, it's a sideways market. And it's up near the high. I really don't want it to come all the way back down and stop me out for a full loss, so I could break even right now, or just take my 2.5-to-1, or I could hold for 3-to-1. I really, really don't know what to do here. I was looking for it to come back up to at least these pivots So my orders, it's just a little bit more for me to get target filled, and it would be very satisfying to hold. I don't have to hold for 3-to-1. That's just where I want it. I've been training to hold for 1-to-1. Like I want to definitely get 1-to-1 and don't move it. So this is asking for a little bit more than normal. And let's see if it hits it. I could go to break even and not worry about it anymore. There we go. It's break even now. So let's see what happens here. I could close it real quick because it's only a couple of ticks away. I hope it didn't stop working. Oh my gosh, I'm gonna have to restart the thing. Okay, my data stopped working in NinjaTrader and with Rhythmic, but I heard target filled, so the target was filled. We got 3-to-1 on that. I am so grateful. Yes. So we're green on that other account. Still red on the one I'm trying to pass still. But, okay, so that's the end of the video. I'm glad I recorded that. I was kind of upset that I didn't take a bigger break, but I did not want to miss this opportunity. What opportunity did I see? Just the pattern development. It swept overnight low, then another head fake. So that's a two try to sell off. And then it started consolidating right here. And so when I saw that pattern, price started going up over my exponential time chart, moving averages, which is what I was waiting for. I saw the buildup over here. We went long after the consolidation. We went long right there. Stop was literally under this consolidation, under that consolidation. And if it took me out, I probably would have turned off everything for the morning. Just completely shut it all down because 4 in a row is just devastating. So anyway, I'll see you on the next video. Peace.